Do you love tall mecha models but hate how tippy they can be? If you've ever worried about your Grosserhund, KYKLOP or other big models taking a nosedive or worse, being awkwardly handled at a competition, you're not alone. Tall models can look amazing but often struggle with stability, aesthetic balance and even scrutiny from judges. Let's fix that. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a base that not only stabilizes your model but also enhances its verticality and storytelling. Whether it's for a show, competition, or your display shelf, this technique works across multiple builds, including flight poses and larger scale models like the Lunar Diver Stingray. Let's dive in. Here's the problem. Tall models, like the KYKLOP, might stand unassisted, but they're prone to tipping because of their height. And if you're planning to bring yours to a show, it's almost guaranteed someone will pick it up and maybe even tilt it for a better look. You know, the old dreaded upskirt inspection. Plus, many modelers use wide, flat bases, which can detract from the model's height and energy. The solution? A tall, minimalist plinth like this one. It stabilizes the model, emphasizes its verticality, and avoids the distraction of a large, empty base. The form I'm using is simple, a wooden pencil holder I found at a local craft store. It's 10 centimeters tall and 8 centimeters square, or for my US based friends, that's 4 inches high by 3 1/4 wide. Fun fact, I grew up using Imperial Freedom units, so no worries, I've got you covered. This form is perfect for a base because it's lightweight, affordable and versatile. The height gives us a dynamic plinth without being overwhelming. To start, I'm cladding the base with 0.5mm Tamiya Pla plate. I loosely attached it with blue tack and use its translucency to sketch the height I want, ensuring it matches the groundwork perfectly. After marking and cutting, my favorite part? The satisfying snap as the plastic breaks cleanly. Dry fitting is crucial. I test continuously to ensure the cladding aligns with the groundwork and complements the model's feet. This step ensures the KYKLOP looks like it's breaking out of the boundaries of the display, adding movement and visual interest. I prefer using a water-based carpenter's glue. It's flexible, easy to work with and cleans up with water. Even glue coverage is key for solid adhesion. Whilst CA glue is faster, it can be brittle when shaping and sanding, so this method works best for me. For the groundwork, I'm using AK's Sandy Desert Acrylic Texture Medium. It's water-based, easy to clean, and works perfectly for a desert-themed look that ties into the KYKLOP's lore. If you're curious about other texture mediums, let me know in the comments. I've used an older brush to spread the medium, filling gaps between the base cladding and the groundwork for a seamless finish. Pro tip: clean your supports as you go, or you'll regret it when they don't fit later. Once the groundwork dries, I test fit the KYKLOP's feet onto the 2mm brass supports. A little extra texture product around the feet gives the impression they're sinking into the desert, adding realism and tying the model into the scene. By letting the texture product partially dry, I could create sunken impressions for added realism. Remember to experiment with drying times to get the best results for your groundwork. Yes, I thought about making this one straight after seeing the second Dune movie, and it really made me happy to do. And here's the finished result. A stable, visually striking base that highlights the KYKLOP's height and story. Whether it's for your display shelf or the competition table, this base brings out the best in your build. Hey, thanks for watching this deep dive into building the KYKLOP base. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps to grow the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos, including weathering and painting the KYKLOP. For more on the KYKLOP's backstory and design, check out the KYKLOP Digital Guide and Hund Volume 3, perfect for fans looking to dive deeper. Want behind the scenes content and exclusive tutorials? Join us on Patreon. A huge thanks to my supporters for making this possible. Got questions or working on something similar? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Happy modeling and see you in the next video.